T.D. Holub and his wife Sarah operate Garden Oasis Farm in eastern Iowa. It's a 7-acre diversified vegetable farm where they raise chickens and grow 35 different types of vegetables, including kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi is actually I think I'd have to say that's my grandpa's favorite vegetable. Growing up, I remember eating it all the time, and a lot of the people around here, same thing, have just always eaten it while they've grown up. So we wanted to make sure we had something that our customers in this area really enjoyed.
Kohlrabi is popular in Germany as well as states with a large German ancestral population. Known as cabbage's crazy cousin, it's a cruciferous vegetable related to broccoli and cauliflower. Many kohlrabi enthusiasts like to eat it sliced with just a dash of salt. They describe it as crisp, juicy, and a little bit sweet.
I actually describe kohlrabi to a lot of my customers as like a cross between like a cabbage flavor and like the crunch of a carrot, even though it's not really in the carrot family. But, you know, the cabbage, they all kind of have a very similar flavor too.
Kohlrabi is a cool season crop, and it grows fast, so you can get 2 harvests per year if you plan things right. As it grows, a portion of the stem swells up into a round, turnip-shaped vegetable. The leaves are also edible, but most kohlrabi is sold with just a few leaves on top.
Like to compost all these leaves, or we feed them to our chickens or goats, whoever gets to them first. But we actually like to pull these out of the field because it keeps our crops a little healthier, keeps the ground healthy as well, so that we're not seeing disease problems year after year when you pull all of that dead stuff out of the field. We grow 3 different varieties mainly. We grow a purple variety called Kohlrabi. We like that one. The skin is purple, but the inside is still white. We also grow a variety called Winter, which we like just because it's a nice uniform size. They can get a little bit bigger and they don't get tough like some of the other varieties. And the final one we grow is called Cossack, and that can get about 8 inches in diameter. They are huge kohlrabi. They'll weigh, they can weigh up to 6 or 7 pounds. Just looking for ones that, look the nicest. We don't want to get any that have, too many scabs on them, or, sometimes they'll split. So we just want to make sure that we're getting a nice, solid, uniform vegetable. So we like to cut them right at the ground level. Sometimes we do rip them out of the ground completely, but we just like to cut on the very base of the plant. It's actually, if you were to peel the skin off and try and eat that, it's actually very tough. So we just like to cut it right there, and then when you actually go to eat the kohlrabi, you're actually just gonna make a cut up here, kind of cut that bottom off and discard it.
Kohlrabi is simple to prepare, and it keeps for a long time. So next time you see it at the farmer's market, don't let this funny-looking favorite intimidate you.